Hi, a lovely hello to all my 10 champion kids, my dear lovely kids. How are you all, everyone? Hi. So first, let me know, please confirm as I am audible to you guys. I'm clearly visible to you, everyone. My all Golu Molu champions, my 10th kids. You all can hear me and I'm completely visible to you. Just let me know, give me thumbs up. Am I audible to you or not? Yes. Hi Nazir Shah, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform. Hello sir, hello. Hi Nazir. Okay, let's wait for other. Yeah, superb. Amit is here. Hi Amit, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform. Just wait a little while so that others can join, because this session, as you all can see on screen here, we are going to do top 100 PYQs plus most expected questions here in this session. So this session, this live class will give you guaranteed 10 marks, 15 marks in your upcoming pre-board exam. So make sure to stay here in this live session till the end. Let others to join. Just wait for a while, my dear champion kids. So how are you all, everyone? How is your preparation? How your studies going on? I hope you all are preparing for your board exam, board 2026, with complete determination, dedication and complete focus. Yes. Just wait a second, wait a minute so that others can join. Superb, let them join. And in this session, in this live class, we will be doing top 100 PYQs plus most expected questions for your pre-board exam. Yes, Amit. Wow, superb. I love this action. Superb. Okay, so yeah, let others join. Okay, so we can start. So in this session we will be solving top 100 PYQ question. And Pranam sir, yes Prince, Pranam beta, how are you all? Prince, I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy. So moving to question number 1 without wasting a moment, and I'm requesting you guys, if you have come here in this live session, guys, whoever is present in this session, please stay in the live session till the end. So because these questions are very important question, and most probably you will encounter these questions in your upcoming pre-board exam. So these are just for you, everyone. Okay, so let's start with question number 1. So read the question carefully and just give me correct answer. Which answer will be correct? Which option will be correct here? Look at the question. First, read the question carefully and just give me answer. Which option will be correct option? Yes, Ayush. Hi everyone. Sakshi is here. Ayush has joined. Welcome everyone. My Golu Molu champion. Amit is answered A. Prince is answered -5/2. Okay, so let's do this question here. So the question is, the zeros of the polynomial x square plus px plus q is twice the zeros of polynomial this. The value of p will be what? Let me give you the solution. Look, the zeros of this polynomial is twice of the zeros of this polynomial, right? So so many students are answering A. Sakshi is also answered A. Let's wait. So if I suppose the zeros of this polynomial as alpha and beta, so what will be the zeros of this polynomial? This will be 2 alpha and 2 beta. I hope you got the point, because the zeros of this polynomial is twice the zeros of this polynomial. So I'm supposing the zeros of this polynomial alpha and beta. So the zeros of this polynomial will be 2 alpha plus 2 beta. I hope this is clear to you. Now you all know sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. This is the formula, right? So we can apply alpha plus beta here in this equation. So this will be minus 5/4. So it will become 5/4. This is alpha plus beta, which is 5/4. Now apply this same formula for this equation. So zeros are 2 alpha plus 2 beta. So 2 alpha plus 2 beta will be what? Again minus b by a. So minus b is what? P. So we can write here minus p, and a is what? There is nothing, so there will be 1. Can we take 2s common here? So it will be alpha plus beta, and this is minus 5. And here, this is already we have calculated here. Alpha plus beta is 5 by 4, which is minus p. Can I cancel this? Wow. So we are getting minus p equals to 5 by 2. So it can also be written as p equals to minus 5 by 2. I hope you have understood. Yeah, superb. So many students answered A. Very good. The student whoever answered option number A, very good. All the very best. You all are doing great work. So minus 5 by 2 is correct answer. Very good. Superb. Hello, Amit bhai. Oh, you guys started talking with each other. I thought you were talking to me. Okay, moving to question number 2. Look at question number 2, dear. Look at the question number 2, my dear champ. Okay, so the question number 2 is for you. Okay, look at the question. Look at the question. So the question is, in an AP, the sum of first n terms is given by Sn. So the format of Sn is given to you. But the question is, you have to find the 30th term. Sn is given, and the question is asking to find the 30th term. So how we can convert Sn into An term? So there is very magical formula. Sn, very magical formula. We can find the value of Sn, the format of An, by using this formula, Sn minus 1. Very magical formula. This is the formula. Look at the formula. This is the formula. An equals to Sn minus 1. See, Sn is already given to you. Sn is given to you 6n minus n square. So can we find here Sn minus 1? Because that Sn minus 1 will help you to find out the value of An, the formula of An. And in the format of An, we can put the value of n as 30. We can get the value of A 30. So Sn minus 1 will be 6. At the place of n, we are putting n minus 1. So here will be n minus 1 will be there. Minus at the place of n, again n minus will be. Can we solve this? 6n minus 6, and it will be a square plus b square minus 2n. We can open the bracket 6n minus 6 minus n square minus 1 minus plus 2n. Now solve this. So 6n plus 2n. It will be 8n minus n square minus 6 minus 1 will be minus 7. So this is Sn minus 1. Now we can put this value here. So An will become, Sn is already given 6n minus square minus Sn minus 1, this whole family, 8n minus n square minus 7, right? So An will be 6n minus n square minus 8n minus plus n square, and minus plus 7 will be there, right? Minus n square will be cancelled with n square because one is in positive form, one is in negative form. And n we are getting here 7. This is 7 here. This is what? 6n. So 6n minus 8n will be minus 2n. So we can write 7 minus 2n. This is the format of n. With the help of Sn, we got the format of n. Now you are free to get any term. If you want to find the 30th term, you need to put here 30. So 7 minus 2 into 30, it will be 7 minus 60, and 7 minus 60 will be minus 53. Very good. Who answered A? Samik Prasad. Hi Samik, welcome on Deeksha Vedantu's platform. Yeah, many students are answering option number A. I don't know why. Option number A. This is minus 53. No option is there. So one option should be here, minus 53, because minus 53 is correct answer. So minus 40, this will be minus 53. Option is wrong here. Okay, moving to question number 3. Now do this question. Prince, welcome everyone. Now try this question here. Try this question, my dear champ. Try this question. Yes. Samik is answering right. Yeah, of course, Samik. Answer is A. Okay. Yes, Amit, next question. Very good. Okay, so the next question is, the base radii of a cone and a cylinder are equal. Listen, my dear champ. There are two geometrical shapes. One is cone and other is cylinder. and the radius are same. So we can write here radius of cone is equal to radius of cylinder. This information is given to you. There are two geometrical shapes, one is cylinder, another is cone, and both radiuses are equal to each other. So we can write radius of cone equals to radius of cylinder. Now, if their curved surface area are also equal, very good. The curved surface area of what? So the curved surface area of cone is pi RL, and the curved surface area of cylinder we know 2 pi RH. Getting my point? Yeah, this is the curved surface area of cylinder, and this is the curved surface area of cone. Guys, you should have the formula. You have to memorize the formula first. Guys, in maths, the formula should be with you, because without formula, you cannot solve any equation. So now we can cancel this pi from this pi. Both radius are equal. So we can so R will be cancelled here. So we are getting L equals to 2H. But the question is here, what will be the ratio of slant height of the cone to the height? So we have to write slant height first, then height. So the 2 is in multiplied form with H. So we can write here 2. So L by H is equals to 2 ratio. This is 1 here. 2 ratio 1. 2 ratio 1 is correct answer. Option number A. Yes. Yes. A for Amit. Yeah, A for Amit. Ho gaya. Okay, superb. So many students are answering A. Very good. Okay, moving to question. I hope you have understood it. So one information was given in this question. The radius of cone and cylinder are equal, right? And their curved surface areas are also equal. So we are just using the formula. Okay. Moving to question number 4. Yes, do this question fast, my dear kids. So many questions are here in this session, in today's live. So you have to be very fast, quick. I hope you guys are also solving along with me in your copy, on your copy and notebook. Yeah. Okay. Question number 4. Look at the question and just go through the situation. Yes, Samik, very good. So the question is the distance of the point minus 12, 5 from the origin. You know guys, origin, this is the Cartesian plane. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Here x is positive, here x find negative, here y is positive, here y is negative. You all know it. Now the coordinates are minus 12, 5. Means x coordinate is minus 12 and y coordinate is 5. So in which quadrant the coordinate will be? The point will be in this quadrant here. This 12 minus 12. This is minus 12. Let's say this is minus 12. And let's say this is 5 for y-axis. So the coordinate will be here. Somewhere here. Minus 12, 5. So we have to find out this distance. The question is asking what is the distance of this point from the origin. And you all know this is the origin. The coordinate of origin is 0, 0. So we are getting here a right angle triangle. So this is here. This is 12 unit. And this will be 5 unit. And this is right angle triangle. Can't we apply here Pythagoras theorem? Yes, we can apply Pythagoras theorem because we are getting a right angle triangle. So this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse will be under root which square? 12 square. Minus 12 square we can write plus 5 square. Right. So minus 12 square will be 144 plus 25. So we are getting here 169. And under root of 169 is 13 unit. Right. So 13 unit is correct answer. Which option? Option number C. Yes, very good. Prince, Sakshi. Wow, great. I'm really impressed, my dear kids. You all are doing great job. Okay, so moving to question number 5. Now do this question quickly. Do this question. You all have only for this question. This question required only 1 minute. 1 minute is enough for this question. 1 minute is enough for this question. Give me answer. Which options will be correct option? Which option is correct? Give me answer. I'm expecting so many of you because number of students have joined the live session and so many students are watching this live session. So I'm expecting at least from 5 to 6 students who can give me the correct answer in this question. Okay, look at the question. Okay. Prince is writing option number D. Sakshi, I'm waiting for others' response. Yeah. Look at the question. The HCF of two numbers is 27. And their LCM is 162. You know guys, there is a very magical relationship between two numbers. Like if we take two real numbers A and B, so the product of both numbers is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. There is very interesting, if I'm taking A and B two numbers, so the LCM will be the product of LCM and HCF between both the numbers will equal to the product of number itself. This is the formula. Please keep it in mind. Very important formula. So the LCM is 162, we can write 162. The HCF is what? 27, we can write here 27. And the number, if one of the number is 54, one number is given to you, and we have to find out the other number. Very easy question. There is nothing special, my dear kids. So B will be 162 into 27. We can shift this 54 this side. So 54 will go on division. So 27 will cancel this by 2 times, and 2 will cancel this, 2 8 ja and 2 1 ja. So B is equals to 81. So the other number is 81. Very good. Option number D. Very good. Superb, guys. Yes, see, I have brought up here mixed question, guys. Later on in this live session, you will be getting the questions from every chapter, even from height and distance, from, arithmetic progression, from statistics, from probability. Each and every chapter I'm covering here. So stay in live session till the end, guys. Don't worry. I have brought up here so many questions for you, just so that you can have clarity in mathematics, how to tackle the question, how to solve the question. Because I found most of the students scared in MCQs. I don't know why. MCQ troubles student a lot. That is why we are doing here. Moving to question number 6. Okay, look at the question. Yes, there is a frequency distribution table is given to you, and you have to find out the difference of the upper limit of the median class and the lower limit of the model class. Yes, what will be the difference of, look at this statement here, upper limit of this, upper limit of median class and the lower limit of the model class. So first you should have the median class and model class. Which is median class, which is model class? First find that class, and then you have to find out the difference. Yes, we will do trigonometry as well in this session. Very good. Okay, so listen how we can find here. So to find out the median class, we have to find out first cumulative frequency. Without cumulative frequency, we cannot find the median class. So first we have to find here the cumulative frequency table. And you all know what is the cumulative frequency table. How we can find the cumulative frequency table? Look, this is 4. The frequency of first table is 4. So cumulative frequency will be 4. And for the next, these two frequency will be add up. So we are getting 9 here. Next will be 9 plus 13 will be 22. Next 22 plus 20 will be 42. Next 42 plus 14 will be, this will be here 56. Next 56 plus 7 will be what? 63. And 63 plus 4 will be 67. So this is called frequency, cumulative frequency table. Now if you have cumulative frequency table, so this 67 is basically the sum of all the frequencies here. And this is represented as capital N. So capital N you have is 67. Now find out the half of this value, n by 2. So if I take half of 67, what will be the value? If I take half of 67, so this will be, I think this will be 33.5. Right? The half of 67 will be 33.5, because 33 is the half of 66, but here 67 is there. So the half will be 33.5. Now search out in which table, in which class this 33.5 will be there. So we have to find the cumulative frequency value. So 33.5 might be maybe in between this and this. The 33.5 might lie between 22 and 42. But everywhere we take this value, the succeeding value. So 42 is your median class. This is your median class. This is your median class. This is your median class. Now the reference of upper limit of median class. So what is the upper limit of median class? Yes, upper limit of median class of median class is 145. Yes. Now we have to find the lower limit of model class. What is called model class? The class which is having most frequent value, whose frequency is greater, 20 is greater. So median class, model class and median class both are same because 20 is the highest frequency. And what is the lower limit of model class? This will be 125. Lower limit of model class is 125. But here we have to find out the difference. So what is the difference between 145 and 125? This will be 20. So 20 is the correct answer. 20 is the correct answer. This option number C. Here, this option number C is correct answer. So to find the median class, you have to write the cumulative frequency table first. And you have to find out the position of n by 2 value, where the n by 2 value will lie. That will be your median class. Yes. Okay, moving to question number 7. Okay, champion, do this question. Question number 7. Read this question. This question is from circle. Read this question calmly and draw the diagram. First, read the question, then draw the diagram. Please, read the question and draw the diagram. So there are two concentric circles. You know concentric circles? The circles having same center, common center. If I am drawing 2, 3 circles, 4 circles, 5 circles, but the center is common of all those circles, means all the circles are concentric circles, right? Okay. So there are two concentric circles. Let me give you the solution. So there are two concentric circles. Let's say this is the circle and this one, the second circle. There are two concentric circles whose center is same. Center is common, center is same. Such circles are called concentric circles, right? Very good. Okay. Of radii 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter, means the bigger circle is having radius 10 centimeter and the smaller circle is having radius 8 centimeter. Then the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Very good. If I draw a line here, this way, look, this line is the chord for bigger circle, but this line, it touches the circle, smaller circle. So this line, let's say I'm calling this line as AB. The line AB is chord for the bigger circle, but the line AB will be tangent for the smaller circle. Getting my point? Because this line is touching the smaller circle and the line which touches the circle is called tangent, right? So this AB is chord for the bigger circle and AB is the tangent for the smaller circle, and we have to find out the length of this tangent. So let me give you. So if I draw here radius of a smaller circle, you know by theorem this will be 90 degree. The radius drawn to the tangent at the point of contact always perpendicular, right? Now I am joining this point center from this O. So this line will be radius of the bigger circle and which is 10 centimeter, right? And the radius of a smaller circle is 8 centimeter. And this is a right angle triangle. So can we apply here a right angle triangle? If there is right angle triangle, so we can apply here what? Pythagoras theorem, right? So we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find out this MB. So MB will be under root OB square, which is hypotenuse, minus this OM square. Okay. So what is OB? OB is 10 here. So 10 square minus OM is what? OM is the radius of smaller circle. So this will be 8 square. So can I write here 100 minus 64? So this will be under root 36, and under root 36 will be 6 centimeter. Now AB, this is MB is this here, but we have to find this whole distance, whole length. So you all know this is the half of this AB by theorem. If we draw radius on any chord, so the radius divides the chord as perpendicular bisector. It works as a perpendicular bisector, means this and this both are equal. So if MB is 6 centimeter, what will be AM? AM will also be 6 centimeter, right? So the whole AB is twice of MB, right? So AB will be twice into 6, that will be 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter, option number B. Option number B. Yes. Yes, superb. Prabhu Datta. Hi Prabhu. Very good. So moving to question number 8. Now try this question, guys. Question number 8. Look at the question. This question from application of trigonometry. Read the question and draw the diagram first. Prashant, hi Prashant. Prashant is saying option number B. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, so look at the question. An observer 1.5 meter tall is 20.5 meter away from a tower of 22 meter high. Very good. So there is a tower. Let's say there is a tower of 22 meter. Very good. An observer is standing here. Let's say observer is here, and the height of observer is 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter tall. Observer is observing the top of this tower. This is the top of this tower. The observer is observing the top of the tower, right? And he is standing at 20.5 meter away from the tower. Okay, so my dear kids, we have to find out this angle of elevation. Observer is here, this is observer, someone is standing here, and this observer is looking at the top of the building, top of the tower. So this angle is angle theta. We have to calculate this angle theta. So there is a right angle triangle. We can call this triangle ABC. Now my dear champions, if this hole is 22 meter, the complete height of the tower is 22 meter, and the height of observer itself is 1.5 meter. So this will also be 1.5 meter. So if I subtract this 1.5 meter from 22 meter, what will be this value? This will be 20.5 meter. Yes. So in this triangle, in this right angle triangle, you have perpendicular, you have base. Can we apply tan theta? So tan theta is perpendicular by base. So tan theta, the perpendicular is also 20.5. Yes. And the base is also 20.5. So 20.5 by 20.5, which is 1. And we all know if tan theta is 1, so theta must be 45 degree. Yes, who answered me? Who answered me 45? Very good. Hello, B. Nitesh is correct. Nitesh, you answered 45, right? Very good. Prashant is also answered 45. Superb. Everyone, yes. Now, moving to next question. Question number 9. Look at the question. Look at the question. Nitesh is answered B. Okay, Rakesh. Hi Rakesh, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform. Super, welcome everyone. Okay, my dear champions, my Golu Molu Bachcha Party, do this question. Do this question. My champion, my lovely kids, these questions are very important for your pre-board exam. I'm assuring you guys. Please do this question, try this question along with me, and please, because maths demands practices. Without practice, you cannot perform well in exam. You cannot get good marks in exam. You have to practice more and more. Yes, Sakshi's answer D. Okay, if half is a root of the equation x square plus 8kx minus 5 by 4 equals to 0, then what will be? My dear champion, if 1 by 2 is a root of this equation, means 1 by 2 will satisfy this equation. If I put 1 by 2 at x, the whole equation must be equal to 0, because root is that value which satisfies the equation. You all know this, right? So we can put here at the place of x 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square plus k into 1 by 2, because kx is here, minus 5 by 4, which will be equal to 0. Now can we solve this? This will be 1 by 4 plus we can write this k by 2, and this will be 5 by 4 equals to 0. Right? So k by 2 will be equal to 5 by 4. I'm shifting this 5 by 4 this side, and I'm shifting this 1 by 4 this side. So 1 by 4 will go in negative form. So k by 2, can we take LCM, guys? So LCM will be 4. So this will be 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 will also be 4. So 4 1 4, cancelling. So k by 2 we are getting 1. So k will be 2 here. I hope you have understood it. K will be 2. Yes. 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 Okay, so which option will be correct? Who answered option number A? I'm seeing your chat, guys. What the way you guys talk with each other? Sakshi, where is confusion, Sakshi? No, sir, A is the correct answer. So you are answering this question? Yeah, A is the correct answer, Sakshi. Very good. Okay, so moving to question number 10 for you. Now do this question. I challenge you guys. Only few students can give me the correct answer of this question. Only few. I want to see the face. I want to see the name of the student who can give me the correct answer of this question. It will not be possible to see your face, but I can see your name here. So give me correct answer of this question. Please solve honestly. Please solve honestly. Okay, question number 10 for you. Solve this question. Yeah. Which option will be correct? There are 4 options: A equals to 15, B equals to 10, C equals to 9, and D equals to 7.5. Yeah. Yes. So here I have to use red color pen because white portion is here. Okay. Prashant is saying C or D. Wow. Prashant is confused. Only one answer will be there, guys, my kid, because this is MCQ type question. Hello, Sakshi, kahan se ho? Guys, you don't talk with each other. Instead of talking with each other, you should focus here on this question, guys. Okay. So you want Zoom? So not possible in this interface, guys. So okay, let me mark the portions. Don't worry, I'm here. Okay. So let me give you the solution, guys. If you're able to do this question, very good. If you are getting some challenge in this question, don't worry, I'm here. I'm going to solve this question. Please see here. Okay. So there is a circle and this is triangle ABC which is touching the circle at this point. So we have to find here. AC is given here. Where is AC? This AC. AC is 6 centimeter, this AC, and AB is given here 5 centimeter. So this is, my dear champion, 5 centimeter, and BC, where is BC? BC is also given here, this is 4 centimeter, right? But here we have to find out the value of, then the length of AP. Where is AP? This whole AP. We have to find the value of this whole AP. See, AB is given to you. AB is of 5 centimeter, but we have to find the value of AP, the length of AP. So to find the length of whole AP, we must have BP. We should have BP because AB plus BP will be whole AP. So we have to find here BP. My target is to find BP. So what we can do here, my dear champion, look, this is a circle and this is a B point. So B is exterior to the circle, and you all know the theorem. If we draw tangents from any exterior point to the circle, the tangents always equal to each other. So we can let here, I'm letting this point as M. So the BM, let BM is X. If the BM is X, so what will be BP? This will also be X. From here to here, this will also be X, because BM and BP both are tangents. And similarly, from point C, there are 2 tangents, CM and CQ. And the length of both the tangents will also equal to each other again. So we can let this CQ as Y. So this CM will also be Y. Now look at the condition, guys. So this this BC is equals to 4 centimeter. So which will be X plus Y, because we have supposed BM as X and CM as Y. So X plus Y is equals to 4. This is the first equation. Now look, this AB, this from AP, from AQ, look, this is AQ and this is AP till here and till here. These are 2 tangents. AP is also tangent and AQ, and both are equal. AP is equals to AQ, tangents drawn from any exterior point, and AP is what? 5 plus X. 5 plus X. 5 plus X, and AQ, this whole is AQ. AQ will be 6 plus Y. 6 plus Y. Now we can solve this. X will be equal to y, and if I'm shifting this 5 that side, 6 minus 5 will be what? Plus 1. So this is the second equation, right? So you have first equation, you have second equation. Can we put second equation in first? Putting equation number second in first. Right, so I'm putting equation number second in first. So at the place of x, we can put y plus 1. So y plus 1, and here is y already, and which is equals to 4. So y plus y will be 2y, and we can shift this one that side. So 4 minus 1 will be 3. So we are getting y equals to 3 by 2. And if y equals to 3 by 2, what will be x? X will be, this is x. So y plus 1. So y is 3 by 2 plus 1. So this will be 3 plus 2 divided by 2. So this will be 5 by 2. Now we have to find this whole AP. So the whole AP is 5 plus x. So 5 plus x is what? 5 by 2. So this will be LCM 2. 10 plus 5, which is 15 by 2, and 15 by 2 is 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. Yes, sir, option number D is correct. Yes, of course, option number D is correct. Very good, Nitish. Superb. Very good question. Yeah. Now moving to question number 11. Now look at the question, guys. Question number 11. Yes, question number 11. Try this question. Read the question carefully. Read the question calmly first. Read the question. Read the question and write the situation. Read and write. Everything is here. Read and write. So the question is, if the sum of the circumferences of two circles, so there are two circles. If the sum of the circumference of two circles with radii r1 and r2, means the radiuses are different, so is equal to the circumference of a circle of radius r. Very good. So the circumference of circle is this, 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. I'm supposing I'm letting the radius already given. There are two circles, so radius is r1 and r2, which is equal to what? Is equal to the circumference of a circle of radius r. So we can write here 2 pi r. The sum of circumference of two circles of radius r1, radii r1 and r2 is equal to the circumference of a new circle having radius r. So can we take 2 pi common here? So we can take 2 pi common here. So this will be r1 plus r2, and this is already 2 pi r. So 2 pi can be cancelled with 2 pi. So r is equal to r1 plus r2. Very easy, logical question. So r is equals to r1 plus r2. Option number A is correct answer. Okay, moving to question number 12. Yes. Now try this question, guys. Try this question. Question number 12 for you. Which option will be correct? Yeah. Question number 12. Read the question. So, if 1 0 of the polynomial 3x square plus 8x plus k is the reciprocal of other. So, if I let first 0 as alpha, so what will be the second 0? That will be 1 by alpha, because both the zeros are reciprocal to each other. So if I suppose first 0 as alpha, so the second 0 will be 1 by alpha. I hope till here everything is clear to you. Now the polynomial is given to you and we have to find the value of k here. Let me give you a short trick, guys. Whenever you find such situation that there is first 0 as and second 0 both are reciprocal to each other, then make sure, please apply the product of root is equals to c by a formula. This formula, please make sure to apply this formula if the roots are reciprocal to each other. Now put alpha as alpha and beta is what? 1 by alpha. And if I multiply alpha from 1 by alpha, the result will be 1. That is the reason why I'm saying you guys, I'm suggesting you guys, use the formula of product of root, right? And C is what? C is here K, and A is what? A is 3 here. So this is cancelled alpha alpha. So 1 is equals to K by 3. So K will be equals to 3. 3 1 ja 3 here. So K is 3. Option number A is correct answer. Option number A is correct answer. Yes, Prashant, Nitesh, hi. Option number, yes, Nitesh, option number A is correct. Moving to question number 13. Yes, now try this question, dear kids. My dear Golu Molu Bacha Padi, please try this question. Question number 13. Who can give me correct answer of this question? Question number 13 for you. Read the question. This question is from which chapter? Coordinate geometry. Yes, my dear champions, please try this question. So the point on the x-axis, guys, there is a point. There is a point on x-axis. So if there is a point which is on x-axis, so which coordinate will be 0? Just tell me which coordinate will be 0. If there is a point on x-axis, so y will be 0. Because the point is on x-axis. So if there is a point on the x-axis, so which coordinate will be 0? Y will be 0. Please keep it in mind. If there is a point on x-axis, then y will be 0. If there is a point on y-axis, then x will become 0. Please keep it in mind. So there is a point on x-axis. So y will be 0. So the point we can let here x, there may be some value of x, but y will be 0. So the point will be x comma 0. Please keep it in mind. Yes, how is saying hi A? Okay, Nitesh is answering A. Let's see. So the point P is x comma 0. So there is a point P which is having coordinate x comma 0, which is equidistant from the point A minus 2 comma 3 and from the point B 5 comma 4. You know, guys, equidistant means this distance and this distance, both the distances are equal to each other. Means the point P is equal distance at the equal distance from the point A and B. So here AP is equal to basically PB. This condition is given to you. Now you are free to apply distance formula. You all know distance formula. I hope you know the distance formula, under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y. Very easy question, so we can apply here. So apply distance formula between AP. So x minus 2, so will be x plus 2, because this is a negative form, plus 0 minus 3 whole square. Now distance formula between this point. So this will be x minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. We can square both sides to remove the roots. So I am squaring both sides so that we can remove the roots. Okay, so this is x plus 2 whole square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab, and 0 minus 3 will be minus 3, and the square of minus 3 will be, what? Plus 9, equals to x minus 5 whole square will be a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 10x, and minus 4 square will be 16. I hope you have understood till here. So the x square will be cancelled with x square, right? And now we can shift the like family with like this is minus 10x, we can shift this minus 10x, so this will be 14x. And we can shift this value, 9 plus 4 is 13, and we can shift this 13 that side. So 25 plus 16 is already 11, 41 minus 14 plus this is 13 here. So this will be 14x will be equals to what? 28. So we are getting here x is equals to 2. We got x equals to 2. Yes, x equals to 2. And if x is equals to 2, so what will be the point? We can put here the point will be 2, 0. Option number 2 is correct answer. Yes, option number 2. Hi. Nitish, Kevin, Boban. Hello, sir. Hi, Kevin. How are you, Kevin? Okay. Prashant is answered B. Rakesh is not answered yet. Prashant is eating popcorn. Very good, Prashant. I don't know, popcorn or what is this? Okay. Superb. So moving to question number, I hope you have understood it, guys. So I am giving you one concept. If there is a point which is on y-axis, so my dear kid, if there is a point on y-axis, so please take x equals to 0. Please take x equals to 0. And if there is a point on x-axis, on x-axis, please take y equals to 0. This is the trick. Please keep it in mind. Moving to question number 14. Yuvraj, hi Yuvraj, how are you, man? How are you, champion? Yuvraj, now do this question, guys. Question number 14. I want involvement of you guys. So many students are watching this live session. Give me correct answer. Which option will be correct? Please do this question. Very interesting and logical question. I want answer from at least 6-7 students of this question. I'm expecting that 6 student is going to give me answer. Okay, hi Sambhav, hi Sambhav, hi my kid, my lovely kid, my champion. How are you all? Okay, now do this question. Question number 14 for you. Try this question. And this is my humble request to you guys. Please stay in this live session till the end, because I have brought up here very important questions, very logical question, and that will be very helpful for you for your upcoming pre-board exam and for your board exam as well. Because these are, these questions have been already asked by CBSE in previous year. So please. Okay, now try this question. Let me solve. So the question is 3x plus 4y ratio x plus 2y equals to 9:4. First, look at the condition here. This condition. Let me use white color. Okay, this condition. So 3x plus 4y divided by, ratio means division, x plus 2y is equals to 9/4, 9:4. First condition is this. You don't need to do anything. First solve this. Make a simple solution. Make a simple format. So what we can do, we can cross product these. So if I cross product this, so this will be 12x, 4 3 are 12, and this will be 16y, and this will be 9x plus 9 to 18y. Now we can shift this x there here, so this will be 12x, and I'm shifting this 9x, and I'm shifting this that way. Okay, so 9x, this will be 3x, and 16y will be what? 2y, because 18 is there. So we got a situation 3x equals to 2y. Now we have to find the value of this. What will be the value of this? Now look my dear kids, this is 3x plus, this is 3x plus 5y divided by 3x minus y. Now 3x is already equal to 2y. Yes, we can shift this here. So 3x is already equal to 2y. So this will be 2y plus 5y divided, again 3x is here. So this will be 2y minus y. So 2y plus 5y will be, my dear champion, 7y. And this is 2y minus y will be only y, cancelled. So this is 7:1. Wow, 7:1 is correct answer. I hope you, my dear champion kids, have understood this question. Yes, let me know guys, you are enjoying the session. Superb. Give me thumbs up. You guys are there and you all are enjoying this live session, so that I can move forward to the next question. Question number 15. Give me thumbs up, my dear champion. Your involvement, your thumbs up, your engagement encourages me to do something, unique and wonderful for you guys, because you are very important for me, for all teachers. We all are deeply connected with you, and we all are putting complete effort for you guys, so that you all can score good marks in your pre-board exam, in your board exam. Okay, so moving to question number 15. Okay, yes, question number 15. Try this question. Where is your doubt, Sambhavi? Let me know. Yeah, Sambhavi is saying it's a doubt. In which question you are doubtful? Where is your doubt? Yeah, just let me know, Sambhavi. Let me know. See, my dear champion, you don't have so much of time. This is very crucial time, guys, you are in right now. So please wake up and start preparing for your board exam with complete dedication, because you should not leave anything to the next day. Solve the questions today, now, and that will give you the result. If you are planning and only planning and not executing, that will not give you the result. Don't plan, please execute. Come on, wake up. And you all can do wonder. You all have potential to do something wonder. You all can bring revolution in your marks. So you still have so much of time, guys. जो क्वेश्चन पहले संभवी, so look संभवी, look, so let me explain again for संभवी. So संभवी, there is a condition given here. Look here, 3x plus 4y ratio means divide. So 3x plus 4y ratio means division. Ratio x plus 2y, so I am writing here x plus 2y, which is equal to 9 ratio 4 means 9 by 4. So after solving, after doing cross multiplication, we got this condition, 3x equals to 2y, right? Keep it with you. Now come here, we have to find the value of this. So 3x plus 5y divided by 3x minus y. What will be the value of this? The question is this, you have to find the value of this family. So 3x can be replaced by 2y, because in previous relation we got this condition. So 3x will be replaced by 2y, I'm writing here 2y, and here at denominator 3x will be replaced by again 2y. So after solving we are getting 7 ratio 1 answer. I hope this is clear to you. Now let me know, please give me thumbs up Sambhavi. Now your doubt is clear? Now your doubt is clear? I am waiting for your response. Each and every student is important for me, each and every student. Yes, yes. Moving to question number 15. Look, there is a tree cast a shadow 15 meter long. Okay, so let's say, so there is a tree, okay, so there is a tree, this is a tree here, cast a shadow means shadow is here, shadow, and the length of the shadow is 15 meter. 15 meter, this is shadow here, let's say this is 15 meter, this is, here is shadow, okay, this is the shadow here. Now on the level of ground, when the angle of elevation of the sun is 45 degree, very good, the angle of elevation of the sun is 45 degree, so this will be 45 degree, right? What will be the height of the tree? We have to find out this height. What will be this height? So my dear champion, for this angle 45 degree, this is base, and for this angle 45 degree, this will be perpendicular. So in which trigonometric function you get the relationship between perpendicular base? Again tan theta. So we can apply here tan 45. So tan 45 is equals to perpendicular, which is height of the tree, by base, which is 15. And you all know tan 45 degree is 1. So we can write here 1, h by 15. So h will be 15 meter. So the height of the tree is 15 meter. Option number D. Yes. Rocky is here, done for the day. Not yet Rocky, not done for the day. Still we have to do so many questions, 35 questions still. Okay, yes, done for the day. Okay, I hope you got the Sambhavi. Is it clear? Okay, moving to question number 16. Question number 16. Now try this question, my dear champions. Which option will be correct for this question? Hi Rocky, how are you, man? How are you everyone, guys? Okay, do this question. So there is a quadratic equation given to you, 2x square minus root 5x plus 1, and we have to give any one correct answer here. There are 4 options. So basically the options are relatable to the nature of roots, and you all know, guys, to find out the nature of roots we find discriminant, we calculate discriminant, which formula is d equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay, okay. So diagram is necessary in 2 marks. No, diagram is not necessary in 2 marks. It depends on question. Like the question is this, right? And luckily the question is carrying 2 marks. So in this question, no diagram is required. Even in geometry, in 2 marks, diagram is not required. Okay. Okay, superb. So moving to question number 16. So in this question, we have to find out the nature of roots. And to find the nature of roots, we generally calculate discriminant. And the formula is b square minus 4ac. So d square, d will be, b is what? B is minus root 5. So we can write here minus root 5 square. My dear champion, this is called a, this is b, and this is called c in quadratic equation. Please make sure. Minus 4, a is what? A is 2 here, and c is what? 1 is here. So can we solve this? So minus root 5 square will be only 5. The root will remove. The root will remove. So, minus square will be positive, and 4 to 8 is here, right? The root will remove because we are squaring the number, right? And 4 to 8. So we are getting minus 3. And if the d is in negative form, means d is less than 0. And if d is less than 0, will that quadratic equation have any root? No roots will be there, because this condition is called imaginary condition. This is called imaginary condition. The condition at which no roots will be there. So no real roots, because d is in negative form. We can solve any quadratic equation only when d is 0 or when d is greater than 0. When d is 0, we get two real and equal roots. When d is greater than 0, we get two distinct real roots. Means the roots will be different from each other. But if we are getting d is less than 0, no roots will be there. Please keep it in mind. Yes. Hi hacker. Wow, the name hacker is there. Hello everyone. Okay, so no real roots because d is in negative form. Question number 17. Yeah, very easy question from probability. Hello, hi hacker. Sambhavi, this is the channel based on English language actually, so we cannot use Hindi here. But Sambhav, in mathematics, language is not matters. I think you can see the solution, how I'm solving the question. You can go through the approach, information of the question. The communication, I think, in mathematics doesn't matter a lot. You can see the solution, how I'm solving. Yeah, the thing will be a bit difficult for you, but you can cover up. Yeah. Now, do this question. Which option will be correct? If a card is selected from a deck of 52 cards, very good. How many cards are there? 52 cards. And after shuffling the deck of 52 cards, you know shuffling, you all know how to shuffle cards. So after shuffling the cards, one card is picked up randomly. So what will be the probability of its being a red face card? Red face cards. How many red face cards are there in a deck of 52 cards? You know, heart is of red color, heart and diamond, they both are is of red color. And in heart, how many face cards are there? 3 face cards are there. 3 face cards are there in heart, right? And in diamond, how many face cards are there? Again 3 face cards. Jack, queen and king. Jack, queen and king. So how many red face cards are there total? 3 of heart and 3 of diamond. So there will be 6 red face card. Yes. So the favorable outcome is 6. So 6, and how many outcomes? Total number of outcomes is 52. So now we can solve 3 to the 6 and 26. 3 by 26 is correct answer. 3 by 26 is correct answer. Which option is there? Option number A. Option number A is correct. 2 by 13. 2 by 13. Sambhav, how? Why 2 by 13? The question is being a red face card. Red face card. Red should be there and face card B should be there. So red is of heart and diamond. So 2 categories are there. So 3 red of diamond and 3 red of heart. So how many red face card will be there? 6. So 6 by 52. So I'm this cancelling 3 by, and this 52 will be cancelled by 26. So 3 by 26 is correct answer. I hope you got the point. Now moving to question number 18. Try this question, guys. Question number 18. Question number 18. Try this question. Which option will be correct? This question is from trigonometry. Somehow, yeah, okay, very good. Which option will be correct? Option number B. Prashant is writing option number. Prashant has changed the option. Now he is writing option number A. Very good. Okay, so let's do. So cos alpha plus beta equals to 0 is given. Cos alpha plus beta is equals to 0. My dear kids, if cos alpha plus beta is 0, if I ask you at which angle cos gives the 0 value, you all know 90 degree. If alpha plus beta would have 90 degree, or must have been 90 degree, then only cos will give you the 0 value. So alpha plus beta is basically what? 90 degree. Please keep it in mind. This is 90 degree. From the given information, we have this conclusion: a plus b equals to 90 degree. But we have to find the value of this. So can we find here? Can we write here from here? Alpha can be written as 90 minus beta. Yes, we can write from here alpha equals to 90 minus beta. We have to find the value of this whole, sine alpha minus beta. Now we can replace this alpha from 90 minus beta. 90 minus beta, and one beta is already here. So sine 90 minus beta will be minus 2 beta. And you all know sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta, this will be cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. You all know sine, I am using here this identity. Cos 90 minus theta, you all know this is called sine theta, and sine 90 minus theta, it can be written as cos theta. So this is the format, sine 90 minus theta. So sine 90 minus theta will be cos theta, and at the theta 2 beta is there. Nazir Shah, why sir 90? Because see, why I'm letting here 90? Because my dear champion, cos 90 equals to 0 degree. This is 0. Cos 90 is 0. And here cos alpha beta is 0. So this alpha beta must have been 90 degree. It has to be 90 degree, then only cos will give you the 0 value. So that is the reason why alpha plus beta is equals to 90 here. Okay, I hope now you have understood. Sambhav, now it is clear to you. Now moving to question number 19. Question number 19. Amit is back with, yeah, Amit is back. Okay, Amit, so give me answer here, this question. Sambhav, is it clear, Sambhav? Very good. Sir, please Urdu language use. Nazir Shah, unfortunately, my dear kid, this channel, this Deeksha Vedantu's platform is just based on complete English, so I cannot use Urdu. But yeah, I'll be very happy. मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी आप अगर if you'll do the questions accurately for me, my champion. Yes, superb. Amit is writing answer number C. So which option will be correct? Write the question. So triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle with each side of length 2p. So draw the triangle. So this is the triangle here, and the triangle ABC is here. So mark ABC. A, B, C. Right? Okay. Now each side of length 2p. So this is 2p. This is 2p. If the triangle is equilateral, so all the sides will be equal to each other, right? Now, if AD equals to BC, where is AD? Where is AD? If AD is equals to BC, then the value of AD will be what? So AD is here. This is AD. Basically, this is median. This is AD. And AD is equals to BC. So we have to find the value of this AD. Don't look to this information. You can directly find this AD here, this AD. So don't look, this the question is this, AD is basically median here. AD is median here. We can write AD is median. So the median will be this, and we have to find out the value of AD. So my dear champion, this will be 90 degree, and if this is 2p, so what will be this? This will be p only, because median divides the side into two equal parts. So if this complete is 2p, the half will be p, right? So how we can find this AD? So AD will be under root what? AC square, because AC is the hypotenuse, minus this is DC square, right? So AD will be, AC is what? AC is 2p square, minus DC is what? P square. So this will be 4p square minus p square. So this will be under root 3p square. Under root 3p square can also be written as under root 3p answer. So AD is under root 3p, option number B. इट्स ओके सर. या अमित सर नंबर दे दो, डाउट पूछना हो तो. दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल माय डियर चैंपियन टू शेयर विद यू द नंबर. ओके, मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. You guys can do this question without using pen. This question will not require to use the pen. Even you can give the answer without using the pen also, guys. Yes. Which option will be correct? Look at the diagram. Look at the diagram first and now solve the question. Okay. So, see, my dear champion, look at the screen here. This is, in figure O is the center. So this is center here. Let me use red color. Basically this is center. Center is O. Okay. PQ is a chord. Very good. This is called PQ. And PT is a tangent. This is the tangent. And my dear champion, you all know, this is the point of contact because the tangent is here. And the point at which the tangent touches the circle is called point of contact. And if we join the center, if we draw the radius at the point of contact, this whole angle become 90 degree. You all know the theorem. The radius drawn at the point of contact. This is the radius. If I draw the radius at the point of contact, the angle become 90 degree. That is the condition. So if this is 90 degree, the complete will also be 90 degree. Yes, and here this angle is given to you for 50 degree, and if this is 40, so it has to be 40 degree. If this is 50, it has to be 40 because the whole angle will be 90 degree. The complete angle will be 90 degree according to theorem. So if this is given to you 50 degree, so this will be 40 degree. And now this is radius. So this is also radius. Both are radius, and if both are radius, so we are getting here an isosceles triangle. And you know, in an isosceles triangle, the angles are always equal to each other, two angles. So if this is 40, then this will also be 40. So in a triangle, you have two angles. And my dear kids, in a triangle, if you have two angles, can't you find third angle? Yes, you can find third angle because the sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree. So this 40 plus 40 will be 80. So which will be, what will be the value of this angle? This would be 100 degree because sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree, right? So 100 degree is the correct answer. 100 degree is correct answer. Yes, 100 degree is correct answer. 20 degree. Amit, why you are writing 20? The question is asking POQ. POQ. We have to find out this value. POQ. So the POQ will be 100 degree. Okay. Option number C. Yes, option number C, Amit. Superb. Moving to question number 21. Question number 21. Yes, now try this question. Question number 21. Read the question. Question number 21. I am instructing you guys again and again. First read the question, especially in maths, and go through the concept, go through the formula, situation given in the question. Okay. So read the question. The base radii of a cone and a cylinder are equal. So there is a cone. Let's say this is a cone here, and the radius is R, and there is a cylinder. Let's say this is a cylinder here, and again the radius are R because the radius of both the geometrical shapes are equal. So this is R and this is R, right? Now the second statement is, if their curved surface areas are also equal, then the ratio of the slant height, my dear, the curved surface area, you know, curved surface area of the cone is 2 pi RL. 2 pi RL, and the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Curved surface area of cone is pi RL, and the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH, right? And the radius are same, so pi will be cancelled with this pi, R will be cancelled with this R, so we are getting L equals to 2H. but we have to find the ratio of the slant height of the cone to the height of cylinder. So L by H will be, H is multiplied with 2, so 2 will be here. So the answer is 2:1. 2:1 is correct answer. Hello, hi. Yeah, Sambhav, very good Sambhav, you are doing great job. 2:1 is correct answer. Very good Amit, 2:1 is correct answer. Hello sir, hi Chaitanya, hi, hello Chaitanya, how are you man? All okay? Yeah, Chaitanya. So moving to question number 22. Very easy question. Now give me. Hi sir, I am back. Gabbar. Oh my god. Every caste is coming in live session. Gabbar. Very good. Okay, so Gabbar, do this question. Question number 22. Okay, Gabbar, do this question. Where is your Shamba? Gabbar. Okay, so the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 0.04 are. So there is a quadratic equation given to you. This is the quadratic equation, right? X square minus 0.04 equals to 0. And you have to find out the roots. So x square will be, we can bring this 0.04 this side. So the negative sign will become positive. So 0.04. And now we can remove point, so it can be written as 4/100, because after point there are two digits, 0 and 4. So I'm writing here 100. So x will be under root 4/100. And you all know guys, 4 is perfect square and 100 is also perfect square. So the root of 4 will be 2 and the root of 100 will be 10 with negative positive sign. With what happened here? Positive negative sign. So x will be, this is 2/10, so 2/10 can also be written as 0.2 plus minus 0.2. Option number A is correct answer. 0. Okay sir, I work honestly sir, I am back. Very good, superb. Yeah, option number no, option number B will not be answer. See, this is 0.0 for my dear champion. So 0.04 will be 4/100, and after removing the square there will be root. So the root of 4 will be 2 and the root of 100 will be 10. So 2/10 can be written as 0.2. Is it clear? And we are removing the root, so we have to take here positive negative sign. So option number A will be correct answer. Yes, Sambhav is correct here. Sambhav, your answer is correct. Superb. Moving to question number 23. Now try this question. Question number 23. Which option will be correct? Read the question first. This question is from statistics. Read the question first. What is the question? In a frequency distribution, the mid value of a class is 10. Very good. There is a class. So the mid value of a class is 10. So let's say the class is x dash y. Right? This is called lower limit and this is called upper limit. This is lower limit and this is upper limit. Please keep it in mind. Right? Okay. The mid value is 10. Means mid value means x plus y divided by 2 will be equal to 10. If I give you a class 5, 10, so what will be the mid value? So 10 plus 5 will be 15 divided by 2. So mid value will be 7.5. So if this is class x dash, this is not minus, this is dash. You know this in the frequency distribution table, 1 to 5, 5 to 6, this is called class. Okay, so there is a class, so I am letting that class as x comma y. So the mid value will be x plus y divided by, which is 2. So here we are getting x plus y is equals to 20. This will be your first equation. Now the width of the class is 6. The width of the class is 6 means the gapping, the difference between both. So y minus x is equals to 6. This is the width, the gap between both the values, lower and upper limit. Y minus x equals to 6. So y will be 6 plus x. I am calling this second equation. Now we can put second in first. So x, at the place of y we can put 6 plus x equals to 20. So x plus x will be 2x, and we can shift this 6 that side, so 14 will be there, 20 minus 6 will be 14, so x is 7 here. So the lower limit of the class and the lower limit is x, and which is equal to 7, so B is the correct option. B is correct option. Nobody, 7 will be the answer. You are writing 8, I don't know why. 20 minus 6 will be 14, and half of 14 will be 7. Okay? Yes, Sambhav. Answer is 7. Okay, moving to question number 24. 24. Look at the question, guys. No problem, Sonu, no problem, it happens. No problem. Yeah. Option number, yes. Now try this question, my dear champion, Golu, Molu, Bacha. Try this question. Question number 24. The condition is there are two linear equations, and you have to find the value of k for which both the linear equations are inconsistent. You know inconsistent? What is called inconsistent? The condition at which we can't get any solution, means no solution will be there. And at which condition no solution will be there? When two linear equations are parallel to each other. And for parallel to each other, this is the condition. A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2, but not will be equal to C1 by C2. This condition is called inconsistent. And on graph, this is called parallel line, parallel condition. Right? So you have to find this value. You have to verify this. So let me show you the solution. So let me use white color. So the first equation is x plus 2y, and this 3 will shift that side, so this will be minus 3 equal to 0. And the second equation is 5x plus ky plus 7 equals to 0. Now verify, check. So a1 by a2 is equals to 1 by 5, b1 by b2 will be equal to 2 by k. Now we can verify, we can put these two values here. So 1 by 5 is equals to 2 by k. We can cross multiply. So k is equal to 5 to 10. This is the value. So the option number D is correct answer. But we can verify this also. B1 by B2 will not be equal to C1 by C2. So look, what is B1 here? B1 is 2. And what is B2? K. We have already got here B2, K is 10 here, so we can write 10. C1 is what? C1 is minus 3, and C2 is what? 7. Right? So this will be 5, 1 by 5. If I ask you, 1 by 5 can be equal to minus 3 by 7, it cannot be equal to each other. 1 by 5 cannot be equal to minus 3 by 7, because 1 by 5 is different fraction and minus 3 by 7 is different fraction. So all the conditions are fulfilling here. All the conditions are fulfilling here. So this is the answer, option number D. Moving to question number 25. Yes, who answered me? D. Sonu is correct here. Yeah, option number D is correct. Now do this question. Question number 25. Question number 25. Yeah, question number 25. Okay. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 13x plus 6, then alpha plus beta, you know, if alpha beta are the zeros, and you have to find the value of alpha plus beta, means sum of zeros. And you all know sum of zeros is equals to minus b by a. Yes, now put the values. Alpha plus beta minus, where is b? B is already in negative form. So minus 13. And a is what? A is 2 here. So minus minus will be plus. 13 by 2 is correct answer. 13 by 2. Option number C is correct. Option number C. Yes. Yes, correct. Option number C is correct. Now moving to question number 26. Look at the question, guys. Answer is C. Yeah, superb. Answer is C. Try this question. Yes, my dear Golu Molu children, my dear kids, try this question. Try this question. Yeah, question number 26. Which option will be correct? This question is from AP, arithmetic progression. Look, the common difference is given to you. If the common difference of an AP is 5, means D is given to you. D is 5 here. And we have to find the value of A18 minus A13. What will be the value of A18 minus A13? So A18 minus A13, A18 is what? A18 can be written as A plus 17D. Yes. Minus A13 can be written as A plus 12D. Whenever we find any value, 18th, 17th, 20, we take 1 less D. If we are finding 20th term, the D will be 19. If we are finding 22th term, D will be 21. Keep it in mind. So 18th term, A plus 17D will be there, and for 13th term, we can write the formula A plus 12D. Now open the bracket. A plus 17D minus A minus 12D. Right? A will be cancelled with A, and 17D minus 12D can be written as 5D. 17 minus 12 is 5D. And now 5, and D is already given to you 5. So 5 into 5 is 25 answer. Any option? Option number C. Who answered here? Yes, C is correct answer. Very easy question. Yes, C is correct answer. Okay, now moving to question number 27. Yeah, try this question, guys. Which option will be correct? Yeah, Sonu is writing option number A. No, option number C is correct answer in previous one. Okay. Now, okay, look at the question. So, there are two coordinates. This A cos theta, the first point is A cos theta plus B sin theta, comma 0. Let's say this is A point. And B point is 0 comma A sin theta minus B cos theta, and I'm calling this as B point. And we have to find out the distance between this and this. So we have to find here AB. So can we apply the formula? This formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, distance formula. Okay, now put the values. AB will be, x2 is what? x2 is 0. So 0 minus this whole family, A cos theta, and if we are writing this whole family after minus sign, so this will also go in minus form. B sin theta minus B sin theta whole square. 0 minus this, okay, plus, where is y2? y2 is this, A sin theta minus B cos theta, and this y1 is 0. This is y, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this whole is y2. Okay, so minus 0 whole square. Now mathematics is there, solution. So we can apply, we can ignore this 0. So A minus B whole square. So A square will be A square cos square theta, minus will be, after going in a square form, the sign will be positive, plus B square. So plus B square sin square theta minus 2AB, but this is also in negative form. So minus 2AB will be plus. So 2AB sin theta cos theta. Now open this bracket here. So this will be A minus, we can ignore this 0. So this is A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square. So this will be A square plus B square minus 2AB sin theta cos theta. Now my dear champion, look at here. This family 2AB cos theta sin theta is positive sign, and this is in negative sign, minus 2AB sin theta cos theta, but both are equal. One is in negative form, other is in positive form, but both are equal. So we can cancel. This will be cancelled with this. And now we can take common. Here, A square cos square theta, and this is A square sin square theta. Can we take A square common? A square, so this will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. Similarly, here, B square sin square theta and B square cos square theta. Can we take B square common? So this will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1 by trigonometric identity. So AB is equal to under root A square plus B square is correct answer. Option number C. Who answered me option number C? Option number C is correct. Yes. Don't worry, my champion. Option number C, under root A square plus B square. Okay, moving to question number 28. Very interesting and logical question from arithmetic progression from AP. Look at the question, my dear champion. Very interesting question. Please try this question. If ABC form an AP, so there are three terms A, B, C. All are in AP. A, B, C. All are in AP. My dear kid, if A, B, C all are in AP, so A is the first term and B is the second term and C is the third term. So if B is the second term, so can we write B as A plus D? Yes, B will be equal to A plus D because this is the second term. And for second term, we only take 1D. And C is the third term, so C can be written as A plus 2D. This is first, second, third. And for third term, this will be the formula A plus 2D. Common difference is D here. Is it clear? Is it clear? But we have to find the value. We have to find the value of this whole. What will be the value of A minus 2B minus C? So, A minus 2B minus C. Now look, minus 2. This B can be replaced by this A plus D, right? Minus. And this C here, this C can be replaced by this A plus 2D. Yes, I'm replacing the B and I'm replacing the C here. So now open the bracket. So this will be 2A and this will be minus minus. This will be minus 2D. Here open the bracket, minus A and plus minus minus 2D. Positive A, negative A will be cancelled. And look here, minus 2A and this is minus 2D will be minus 4D. Is there any option? Yes, option number C. Minus 2A, minus 4D. Minus 2A, minus 4D is correct. Yes, sir. एक बार और, sir. Okay, Atharv. This question, you are asking this question. Let me give you the solution. If ABC form an AP, my dear Atharv, there are three terms A and B, C. A, B and C. All three are in AP. So A, B, C are in AP. And D is the common difference. If A, B, C are in AP, so B will be the second term. And if B is the second term, so it can be written as A plus D. And C is the third term, so C can be written as A plus 2D. For third term, we take 2D. For second term, we take only 1D. You all know this. If we find the ninth term, we write the formula A plus 8D. You all know this. So I have written B and C in the form of A and D, so that we can replace B and C here, because every option contain only A and D. So my target is convert this whole function in the form of A and D. That is the reason why I am putting B and C in the form of A and D here in this, so that we can get the value. I hope now the thing is clear. Is it clear? Atharv, are you there? Is it clear, Sonu? Let me know. Okay. Yeah, give me thumbs up. If your doubt is clear, give me thumbs up. Yes, Sagar. How are you, Sagar? Welcome. Okay, moving to question number 29. Now try this question. Question number 29. Okay, question number 29. The line represented by 4x minus 3y equals to 9 intersects the y-axis at. Thank you, sir. Yeah, Atharv, thank you. Sagar Nigam is asking something. Sagar, minus 4D, how it came? Okay, let me give you how minus 4D came. Look, my dear kid. Sagar, I'm multiplying this 2 from D. So 2D, this will be 2D. This here. And here is my negative sign. Look, you might not be able to see this negative sign. Here is negative sign. So minus 2 into D will be minus 2D here. Look, this is. And here, this positive 2D and here is negative sign. So again minus 2D will be here. So this minus 2D this minus 2d, minus minus will be plus, but the sign will be negative. That is why I am writing here minus 40. Sagar, is it clear, Sagar? My dear kid, just let me know, is it clear? You, each and every one is important for me. Please keep it in mind. I am deeply connected with you all. You all are important for me. So I will not move ahead keeping you guys doubtful. This is my responsibility to clear your each and everyone's doubts. I am here. Teaching is not a normal profession. This is very responsible profession. And I am dedicated towards your performance, towards to nurture you guys. So if you are having any kind of doubt, just let me know. Just let me know. Yes. Yes, sir. Clear. Very good. Now do this question. Question number 29. Try this question, my dear champion. Sir, you are hard work, you positive attitude. See, my dear champion, you all are lovely kids. And you all are going to appear in your board exam after just 1 and 2 months. And we all are expecting, we all looking forward to see you as a topper. And this is our teacher's dream also. We want to see you guys, everyone in 90s, you should score 95, 96% in your exam. And teachers feel very happy, very satisfied if their student get good marks in exam. So that is the reason why we work dedicatedly for you guys. Thank you, Sonu, for your concern. Okay, so look. So there is a line represented by 4x minus 3y. And which is intersected by y-axis. So let's say this is Cartesian plane and this is y-axis, and one line is passing through this. Let's say this line is 4x minus 3y equals to 9. This line is here, and this line is intersected, the y-axis is intersecting by line. At which point? So this will be the point. And my dear champion, if I ask you what is the position of this point, this point will lie on y-axis. And if there is a point which is on y-axis, so x coordinate will be 0 and there will be some y coordinate. If the point is on y-axis, the y coordinate will be 0. Yes, I hope this is clear. If the point is on y-axis, then the x coordinate will be 0. Understood? If the line will be intersected by x-axis, in that condition, which will be 0, the x coordinate, y coordinate will be 0 if the line is intersected by x-axis. But here this line is intersected by y-axis, so x coordinate will be 0. Please keep it in mind. Yes, please keep it in mind. So you can put 0 here in this equation. So 4x minus 3y equals to 0, and this line is passing through this point, so the coordinate will satisfy. So we can put x 0, 4 into 0 minus 3y equals to 9. 4 into 0 will be 0. So minus 3y will be equal to 9. So y will be equal to 9 by 3 with a negative sign, because negative sign is here. So if negative sign is here, we can shift this negative sign that side. So 3, I don't know, there is technical glitch. 3 into 3, so y is equals to minus 3. And if y is equals to minus 3, the coordinate will be 0, minus 3. Which option? Option number A. Sir, thanks for your support. Always, my dear champion, always. Always. Yeah. Moving to question number 30. Try this question. Yeah. Which option will be correct? This question from application, some application of trigonometry. Try this question, everyone. My dear kids. Abhinav. Hi, Abhinav. Welcome. Yeah, Abhinav, correct answer. 0, minus 3 is correct. Well done, Abhinav. Very well done. Yeah, now try this question. Question number 30. Which option should be correct? Read the question calmly and draw the diagram first. Don't be in hurry. Read the question and draw the diagram in some applications of trigonometry. Okay, Sonu is writing 75 root 3. Okay, so if the angle of depression of an object from a 75 meter high tower is 30 degree, from a 75 meter high tower, okay, so there is a high tower, 75 meter high tower, so this is 75 meter high tower. Okay, the angle of depression of an object, so there is a ground, this is ground, and here is an object, let's say football. Here is an object, let's say football. Okay, the angle of depression of an object is 30 degrees. So from the top, the angle of depression, and you know the angle of depression is here. This is the angle of depression, which is 30 degree. And if this is 30 degree, so this will also be 30 degree by alternate angle. This. So basically, angle of depression comes down here. So if this is 30, so it has to be 30. Then what is the distance of the objects from the tower? Very good. So we have to find out this distance of object from the tower. So we have this triangle, right angle triangle ABC, and look at the right angle triangle. We always go through the angle. For this angle, this is the perpendicular, and for this angle, this is the base. So which trigonometric ratio we should take here? Yes, perpendicular base relation is having tan theta. So tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree will be perpendicular, which is AB, by base, which is BC. And we all know tan 30 is 1 by root 3. And AB is what? Height of the tower, which is 75. And BC is X. We have to calculate this X. Can we cross multiply? So this will be 75 root 3 meter answer. 75 root 3 meter. Option number B. Yes, option Abhinav, option Yash. Hi Shubhagi, hi. How are you? Okay, option B. Sonu is correct here. Abhinav, option, yes Abhinav, you are also correct. 75 root 3 will be correct answer. Yes, moving to question number 30. I hope this question is clear to you everyone. Question number 31. Now try this question. Hello sir, tomorrow math test. Very good, all the very best. Rathod, legendary Rathod. Superb, all the very best for your exam. Shubhagi, very good. Always stay blazed, stay sparkling, and you may do rock in board exam this year. And you all deserve good marks in board exam. You all deserve. You all are doing great job. You are putting 100%. You are giving 100. I don't know you are giving your 100% or not, but you should give your 100% because you don't have so much of time, guys. You all are on crucial stage. You still have 1.5 months, 2 months. I'm not demoralizing you. I'm not demotivating you. But this is the truth. Kindly wake up and start preparing for your board exam from today onward. Yeah, Shubhagi, what about you, sir? I'm okay, Shubhagi. Thanks for your concern. Thanks for your caring. Yeah. Yes, sir, I will. All the best. Now do this question. So, there is a triangle ABC and DE is parallel to BC. So, first read the question carefully and draw the diagram. So, there is a triangle. There is a triangle ABC. This is A, B, C triangle. DE is parallel to BC. If this is BC, so DE somewhere will be here, DE, and that's why DE is parallel to BC, right? And if DE is parallel to BC, now we can apply BPT, basic proportionality theorem, which is also called Thay's theorem. Yes. Now look, AD is given, AD, this is AD is given 2.4 centimeter, and AB, this whole AB is given 3.2 centimeter. Now here AC is given, this complete AC is given 8 centimeter, and we have to find out this AE. What will be the value of AE? So I'm letting it as X. So my dear champion, if DE is parallel to BC, means this both side AB and AC will be divided into equal corresponding ratio. So AD divided AD upon AB. So my dear kids, I am taking AD upon AB. So here also we have to take same corresponding ratio, AE upon whole AC. I hope you have understood, because I am taking AB upon whole AB. So here also AE upon AC will be there. Now you have AD 2.4, you have AB 3.2, and AE X, and you have AC also, which is 8, here. We can remove the points. So here is 24, here is 32. So cross multiply, we can cancel this. 6 4 ja 24, and this will be 8 4 ja 38. 32. 8 4 ja 32, 6 4 ja 24, and 8 will be cancelled with this 8. So we are getting x as 6 centimeter. Any option? Option number B is correct. Yes. Yes, superb. Option. Yes, sir, I will. So, my dear champion, I hope you have understood. So, this question is basically based on BPT, Basic Proportionality Theorem, which is commonly called Thales Theorem. Moving to question number 32. Now, try this question. So, my dear lovely kids, see, jokes apart, if I tell you honestly, you guys on the age, you guys are in your crucial time, crucial period. This is your diamond period. You have to be serious. You have to wake up. And if some of you might worried about your board exam, you might be thinking how I'm going to perform in my board exam. I'm not well prepared. See, my dear champion, you have so much of time. If you will start preparing for your board exam from now on, from today henceforth, you can bring big change, big impact on your result. Please try to understand. Nothing, you cannot get anything just for planning. You have to execute. If you are planning anything, you have to execute. You have to start, restart from today. And we are coming, we the teachers are coming here constantly. Yeah, D6, yes, Rathod, very good. Sorry, I give incorrect answer. No to worry, Sonu. It happens. Okay, moving to question number 32. Yeah, this question. Very easy question. Logical and easy question. The volume of two spheres are in the ratio volume of two spheres. So, you know the volume of sphere is basically 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula for the volume of sphere. So, there are two spheres and their ratio. So, we can take 4 by 3 pi r1 cube divided by 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, because two spheres are there. So, I am taking the radius R1 for the first sphere and the radius R2 for the second sphere, and which is equal to 64 divided by 27. 64 ratio 27. 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled. This 4 by 3 will be cancelled with 4 by 3. Pi will be cancelled with pi. So what we are getting here, R1 divided by R2, we can write here whole cube, and this we can also write this format as this, because the cube of 4 is 64 and the cube of 3 is 27. So R1 by R2 whole power 3 and 4 by 3 is equals to whole power 3, and both family are equal to each other. So R1 divided by R2 will be equal to 4 by 3. Please keep it in mind. Now the question is asking what will be the ratio of their surface areas. The ratio of volumes were given and you have to find out the ratio of surface area. So the surface area of sphere are 4 pi r1 square. This is the formula. 4 pi r2 square. Two spheres are here. So 4 pi will be cancelled with 4 pi. So we are getting r1 divided by r2 whole square. And r1 by r2 is what? 4 by 3. So we can put here 4 by 3 whole square, which will be equal to 16 by 9. 16 ratio 9 is correct answer. 16 ratio 9 is correct answer. Option number D. It took standard big headache. Abhinav, yes Abhinav, very good Abhinav. 16 ratio 9 is correct answer. Yeah. Not 4 ratio 3. I think you made some mistake in here, Sonu. Try it again guys. Yeah, you all can do this question. Option number D. Very good. 16 ratio 9. Abhinav is correct here. Okay. Now moving to question number 33. Look at the question. Question number 33. So, question number 33. The quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose zeros is -5. Okay. So you have to find out a quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros is given to you and product of zeros is given to you. So I try. So my dear, if sum of zeros is given to you and product of zeros is given to you, so can't you find that particular quadratic polynomial? Yes, you can. You have this formula x square minus sum of roots, or we can also write here zeros, don't worry, into x plus product of zeros. You remember this formula? This formula. Use this formula. Right? So x square minus sum of zeros. Where is sum of zeros? Minus 5. Now we can put here minus 5 into x plus. This is what? Product of zeros. Where is product of zeros? 6 is the product of zeros. So we can put here 6 equals to 0. So x square minus minus plus 5x plus 6. This is the answer. Which option will be correct? Option number A is the correct option. Yes, Abhinav. Option, yeah, superb. Very good. Very good, my dear kids. Very good. Question number 34. Yes, moving to question number 34 for you. Very logical and interesting question. Yes. Can anyone do this question? Anyone? Any one of you? So many students are watching the session. Yes. If any one of you can give the answer of this question, I'll be very impressed from you guys. And I'll be very impressed. I'll be very impressed. I'll be very happy if you guys can give me the answer of this question and solve this question honestly. Yeah, Rato, this was the easy question, but such question comes frequently in exam. So you have to be very prepared for such questions. Okay. Yes. Who will give me answer of this question? X and Y are two different digits, right? Okay, someone is giving me option number, answer 12. Let's see. Okay, X and Y are two different digits. If the sum of two digit numbers formed by using both the digits is a perfect square, then the value of x plus y will be what? So see, there are two digits. Two digits are here, two digits, x and y. These are the two digits. If x and y are the two digits, so how many numbers we can form using these two digits? If I'm giving you guys 2 and 4, how many two-digit number you can form using these two numbers, 2 and 4? First, you can form 42, and second, you can form 24. Only two numbers you can form using these two digits, right? So if I give you x and y as digits, so you can find the first two-digit number 10x plus y, and the second two-digit number will be 10y plus x. I hope you all know the format of two-digit numbers. Yes, I hope you all know. Who is writing? Standard paper. Okay, so using x and y, we can form two-digit numbers. There are two formats. The numbers might be 10x plus y, and the number can be 10y plus x. But the question is this: if the sum of the two-digit numbers formed by using both the digits is a perfect square, so if we add both 10x plus y plus 10y plus x, right? So 10x plus x will be 11x. 10y plus y will be 11y. Can we take 11 as common? So we are getting x plus y. X plus y into 11. And we have to make a perfect square. So this 11 is already here. So this whole bracket has to be 11. Then only 11 into 11 can be perfect square. So x plus y is basically x plus y will be equal to 11. So B is the correct answer. Hi Dayanand. Hello sir, myself Deepika. Oh Deepika, how are you Deepika? Welcome on Deeksha Vedantu's platform. Yes. Sorry sir, mere bahut wrong. Don't worry my dear kids, don't worry, it happens. You all are trying. You all are in learning phase. Don't worry, don't get demoralized, don't demotivate yourself. You guys still have so much of time, 2 months, 1.5 months. You can prepare yourself for board exam. Yes, of course, these are from standard paper, my dear champions. And there is no huge difference between basic maths and standard maths. Overall, 90% of questions remain same. For your kind information, I want to tell you guys. Who told you that standard and basic both maths papers are, there are huge difference between both the standard. There is no, huge difference between both the papers. Overall standard, almost 90%, 80% questions remain same. Yes. Hi Deepika. Okay, Deepika, this for you. Question number 35. Solve this question. Rathod, Sonu, everyone, solve this question. Question number 35. Question number 35. Which option will be correct for this question? Question number 35. You have to, there are three coordinates and they are the vertices of triangle. These coordinates are the vertices of triangle and you have to find out the centroid. Find the centroid, my dear champion. Find the centroid. So the question is, let's say this is triangle. The triangle A and the coordinate is x1, y1. Okay, and the coordinate B is x2, y2. And the coordinate C is x3, y3. Right? And the line where the median intersects, this is called centroid. The exact center of the triangle. The exact center of the triangle is called centroid. Right, where the centroid intersects, where the medians intersects. So how we can find the coordinate of this centroid? Let's say this is x comma y. So basically to find the x, the arithmetic mean of x will be there. The average of x. So we can use x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. And for y, we can use y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. This formula will be used. This formula will use here. Now you can solve this question. So for x will be what? 3 plus minus 8 plus 5. 3 plus minus 8 will be minus 8 plus 5 divided by 3. So 5, 3, 8. 8 minus 8 divided by 3. So this will be basically 0. Now find y. So y will be minus 7 plus 6 plus 10 and divided by 3. Right? So minus 7 plus 10 plus 6 will be 16 divided by 3. So minus 7 plus 16 will be 9 divided by 3. So this will be 3. 0, 3 is the answer. 0, 3. Option number B. Option number B. Yes, Vivek Kumar. Hi Vivek, how are you? Yes, 0, 3. Abhinav is right here. Abhinav answered 0, 3. Yes, and Vivek, both are right here. All the very best, guys. You all are correct. Okay. So I hope now you have understood how to find the centroid of any triangle. Okay. So moving to question number 36. Now look at the question. Look at the question. There is a square OABC. OABC is a square of side 7 centimeter. OAC is a quadrant. OAC is a quadrant. And if this is a square, so this angle will be 90 degree. I hope you all know. The vertex of any square is equal to 90 degree. You all know this. Okay. I hope you all know this. Yes. Okay, so 90 degree. But here we have to find out the area of the shaded region. This is the shaded region, right? We have to find out the area of this shaded region, guys. Look. How we can find the area of shaded region? What should be the approach? This is the complete square and this is quadrant which is having 90 degree angle. So how we can find the area of shaded region? If we subtract the area of quadrant from whole square, from the area of whole square, complete square. So area of, we can write here the path area of shaded region will be equal to area of square minus area of quadrant. Right? This is the path by which we can reach to the shaded region. If we subtract the area of quadrant from the area of whole square, then only we can get the area of shaded region. And you all know area of a square is what? Side square. And this is quadrant. This is quadrant. Quadrant means 1/4 of the circle. The 1/4 of the circle is called quadrant. So we can write here theta is 90, theta by 360, which will be 1/4 into pi r square. Pi is 22/7, and the r, this will be the r. If I complete the circle this way, so this will be the r, which is 7 centimeter. So 7 into 7 can be written here. Is it clear? So side is what? Side is 7. So 7 square minus this will be 90 into 4. 7 will be cancelled with 7. This is 2 to 4 and this is 11. So 11 into 7 will be 77 divided by 2. 7 square is 49 minus 77 by 2. 77 by 2 will be what? 38.5. I hope this will be the value. 38.5. Right? So 49 minus 38.5 will be 49.0 and 38.50. This will be 5 and this 8, 0 and this 10.5. 10.5 centimeter square. Yes, 10.5. Are you tired, sir? No, I'm not tired, buddy. Yeah, Abhinav is answered correct. Abhinav, you're doing wrong, buddy. You're doing great. 10.5 centimeter square is correct answer. All the very best. Yes, if we write correct formula in board exam, will they give mark for writing? Yes, of course. And that is the reason why the teachers guide you every time school or whatever, wherever you study, write the answer in systematic order. Write the answer stepwise, explain the answer stepwise. If you are doing any subjective question which carry 2, 3, 4 marks, so make sure to write the solution in broad way. Write the formula, write the given information, then what to prove, everything. Yes, stepwise markings will be there. So make sure to follow the steps. Don't do direct solution. Write the formula, follow the steps. Yes, Marin answered it. Hi Marin, where were you? I was waiting for you. There are few students who come frequently, who always join live session, but okay. Yes, of course, I have been evaluated so many times in boards. That's why I know, buddy. That's why I'm suggesting you guys. I have been evaluated in CBSE. Okay, so moving to question number 37. Now this is for you. Question number 37, very easy question, and I'm assuring you guys, this question is directly based on formula. There is nothing rocket science, there is nothing challenging in this question. You have to find out here AN. AN means nth term, and you have formula, you must have formula for nth term. Now give me answer, which option will be correct? Nth term, yes. Yes, you have to find out nth term here. I'm waiting for the response. Marine, Sonu, Abhinav, everyone. I'm expecting the answer of this question for so many students. Abhinav is writing 3.5. Sonu is saying C. Let's wait. Okay. So let's do the question here. Okay. So in an AP, if A is 3.5, very good. A is given to you. Write the information. A is 3.5, right? And D is 0. D is 0, right? And N is also given to you. N is 101. And you have to find out AN. Very good, Ji. Means put the value, get the answer. Put the value, get the answer. So the formula will be A plus N minus 1 into D. There is nothing challenging, nothing difficult in this question. You have to put the value and you will get the answer. Let me give you the solution. So A is 3.5 plus N minus 1. Where is N? N is 101, but the bracket is N minus 1. So 101 minus 1. And D is what? 0. And if D is 0, this whole family will be 0. Because if you multiply any number with 0, whether the number is 1 crore, 1 lakh, whatever, the result will be 0. So AN will be equals to 3.5. Right? Because the common difference is 0 here. So this will be 3.5. Option number B. Who answered option number B? Huh? So many students are writing option number C. Guys, here D is 0. common difference is 0, and if the common difference is 0, there is an AP, but each coming terms are same. Each terms are same because the common difference is 0. If I write this 4, 4, 4, look at the progression. Each and every terms are same. And if all the terms are same, so what will be the 1th term? That will also be 4. So that is why A is 3.5. So what will be 1th term? So that will also 3.5 because common difference is 0. Please keep it in mind. Yes, common difference is 0. Moving to question number 38. Very tricky question, conceptual question. My dear kids, see the question. See the question. If the radius of sphere is increased by 100%, very logical question, I think. I think we should take time here. I'm giving you 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes for you. For this question especially. Because this question required. This question deserves respect because okay, Abhinav, do this question, 38 question. Question number 38. Before solving this question, Sonu is writing 200%. Unfortunately, answer is wrong. 200% is wrong answer. I think you should try again. Okay. Should I solve? Okay. So let me give you the solution. So my dear champion, if the radius of a sphere, let's say there is a sphere. This is the sphere having radius r. Right? But the radius is increased by 100%. What does it mean by 100%? If anything is increasing by 100%, if I find out the 100% of r, so r is increasing by r. So the new radius will be will be r plus what? 100% of r, and you know 100% of r will be itself r. So r plus r, new radius we are getting here 2r. The old radius was r, and after increment in radius of 100%, the new radius will be 2r because the radius is increasing by, you know what, 100%. Now the question is, the volume of the corresponding sphere is increased by. We have to find out the percentage increment in volume. So first find out the initial volume. Initial volume means before increment in radius, that old volume. So that will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. I'm calling equation number 1. New volume will be 4 by 3 pi, and r will be 2r because r is increased by 100%, and after increment 100%, the new radius will be 2r, and this will be cube. So this will be 8 into 2 to power 3 will be 8, and r cube will be, so 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. We can call this volume as v and this volume as v dash, right? So this is 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here v dash can be written as this 4 by pi 3. This can be replaced by v. So v dash is equal to 8v. Because the initial volume was 4 by 3 pi r cube, and this is the new volume. So 4 by 3 pi r cube can be replaced by this v. So the new volume is 8v. But we have to calculate the percentage increase. So change in volume will be what? Change in volume. We can call this delta v. So delta v will be v dash minus v. New volume minus initial volume. So new volume is what? 8v minus v, that will be 7v. So the percentage increment will be what? Delta v upon original volume into 100. So this is what? 7v. Change in volume is 7v. This is v into 100. So v will be cancelled with v. So we are getting here 700. This is the answer. 700. Abhinav, Mehreen. Harsh, hi Harsh, namaste, namaste, stay happy buddy, stay smiling, keep smiling. Yeah, welcome. So Mehreen is answered 700%, Abhinav is also answered 700%. Very good, very good. Moving to question number 39. Look at the question. Now question number 39. I hope you guys can do this question. Very easy question. This question required only I think 30-40 seconds is enough for this question. If you have that formula, empirical relationship between mean, mode and median. You know, there is a magical relationship between mean, mode and median. Very magical formula. This is the formula. Mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. This is the formula. I hope you know this formula. Very powerful formula. So in this question, you guys have to use this formula. This formula will give you the answer. Look, read the question first. The median and mode are respectively, means this is the median, right? And mode, this will be your mode. Yeah, and you have to find out the mean. What will be the mean? Median is given to you and mode is given to you, right? So if we can put the values, mode is 29, so this will be 29. Equals to 3 into median. Median is 26. This is the 26, right? Minus 2 mean. Is it clear? Now we can bring this whole family this side and 29 will go that side. So 2 into mean will be equal to 26 into 3 will be 3, 6, 18 and this will be 78. 26 into 3 will be 78, right? Minus 29. So what will be the value? 2 mean equals to 78 minus 29 will be 9, 9, 18 and 6 will be 49. So mean is equal to 49 divided by 2. What will be the half of 49? The half of 49 will be, what? You all know 24.5 because 48 is, the half of 48 is 24, but here is 49. The 49 divided by 2 will be 24.5. I hope. So this formula is very important. 4-star formula, very important formula. This is the empirical relationship between mean, mode and median. Please keep it in mind. This formula direct comes in MCQ, direct. And so many times CBSE has already asked this question in board exam. So please, you have to be very ready. Yes, Mehreen is giving. Dipti Srivastav, hi Dipti. Dipti, see, we are here, we are giving you live sessions of top 100, PYQs plus, most expected important question series in live. So in this live session, we are covering each and every chapter. We are doing here mixed question. I have brought up here very important question that most probably you might get in your board exam, in your pre-board exam, right? And if you are asking for especially session recorded video or live session for Trigo, so we'll be looking into it. Don't worry. We are giving you complete academic solution on Deeksha Vedantu channel. So don't worry. Keep coming, follow the channel and you will be getting complete academic solution here. Look at the question number 40. Try this question. Okay, question number 40. Very interesting question, I can say. Very interesting question. So I want to suggest you guys in this question. First, read the question. This question is based on 2-digit number. Look, 2-digit number. And you all know the general format of 2-digit number. The general format of 2-digit number is 10x plus y. This is the general format. Y will be the unit digit and x will be the tens digit. And if we reverse the digit, means if we write 27 as 72. So after reversing, they become 10y plus x. If 10x plus y is our required number, so after reversing, after interchanging the position of the digits, the number become 10y plus x. So read the question. Yes, Abhinav, empirical formula. I have already told you. Very good. Now try this question, guys. So look, the question is, okay, the 2-digit number which becomes 5 by 6th of itself when its digits are interchanged, means reversed. So what will be the two-digit number? So let the two-digit number be 10x plus y. Let the two-digit number be 10x plus y. First you have to do this. You have to suppose the two-digit number. So if I am supposing the two-digit number, if I am letting the two-digit number 10x plus y, so x and y is the digits. X and y are the digits. Now, the two-digit number which become 5 by 6 of itself, when the digits are reversed, very good, means when the digits are reversed, means if I write 10x plus y as 10y plus x, it become equal to 5 by 6. 5 by 6 of itself. So the number itself is what? 10x plus y. So the number itself is 10x plus y. So this is the first equation. Now solve this. We can cross multiply. So after cross multiply, this will be 60y plus 6x and multiply this 50x plus 5y. Right? We can take this x that side and we can take this y here. So 60y and this y is coming here. So 60y minus 5y will be 55y. Right? And this is here 50x and 4x is going that side. So for 50x minus 4x will be 44x. Right? So this will be cancelled by 11, 5 ja 55 and 4 11 ja 44. So 5y is equal to 4x. This is the first equation we have. This is the first equation, first relationship between x and y we have. Now read the second statement. The difference in the digits of the number being 1 means the difference in digit x minus y is 1. Yes, x and y are the digits. So the difference between the digits is 1. So we can write this situation in equation form. X minus y is 1. So here we can get x equals to 1 plus y. And I'm calling this equation number 2. So we have two equations, first and second. First and second. Can we substitute both? So we can substitute equation number 2 in first. So putting equation number 2 in first. So what we are getting here, 5y equals to 4 into, at the place of x we can write here 1 plus y. Now solve this. 5y and this is 4 plus 4y. We can shift this 4y here this side. So 5y minus 4y will be y. So we are getting here y equals to 4. And if y equals to 4, we can put here y. So x will be 5. So you have digits. X is 5 and y is 4. And if you have digits, so what will be the two-digit number? So two-digit number will be 10x plus y. 10x plus y. 10 into x is what, my dear kids? 5. And y is what? 4. So this will be 50 plus 4. This will be 54. 54 is correct answer. Option number B. Yes, option number B is correct. Now moving to question number 41. Very easy question from arithmetic progression. Yes, try this question, dear kids. My champion, my lovely kids, my 10th kids, do this question. Question number 41. Question number 41, yeah. You all can do this question. There's nothing, challenging task in this question. There is an AP given to you and you have to find out the nth term. So for nth term we have formula. A plus n minus 1 into d. Right? So an will be, A is what? A is itself A plus n minus 1. D will be what? D will be 3a minus a. 3a succeeding minus preceding value. So 3a minus a will be 2a. So we can write here 2a. Right? So we can open the bracket here. So a plus 2na minus 2a. Is it clear? So an will be, this is 2na and a minus 2a will be minus a. Because both are like terms. A minus 2a will be minus a. Now can we take a as common here? So this will be 2n minus 1 into a. 2n minus 1a. Option number B. Option number B. Yes or no? Option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. So this is the correct answer. Moving to question number 43. Look at the question. Yes, this question is of assertion and reason. Look at the question. Assertion and reason based question. The value of 6 for which the distance between the point this and this is 10. So the point is, let's check the assertion first. The point P is 2, -3 and the point Q is 10, y. And the distance between both the points is also given here 10. Oh, is 10. Okay, the value of y. So we have to check whether the value of y is 6 or not. Okay. So class kab tak chalegi? Let's do the question. There are 50 questions, guys, in this session. So 7 questions are left here. So have patience. Okay. So PQ is given here 10. So can we apply here distance formula? Yes, distance formula we can apply. So 10 minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3, and this is already negative form, so this will become plus 3 equals to 10 square. Here is 10. Now to remove the root, we have to square both sides. So 10 minus 2 will be 8 and 8 square will be 64, and this is y plus 3, so y square plus 3 square 9 plus 6y, and 10 will become 100 because we are squaring both sides. Is it clear? Now this will be y square plus 6y, 64 and 9 will be 73, minus we are taking this 100 this side, so y square plus 6y and 73, and this is 100. Which value will be here? I think this will be 7 and this will be 27. 73, yeah, 27 will be here. Now solve this. Quadratic equation is here. So 9, 3, 27. So we can write here. We can split this middle term as 9y minus 3y minus 27 equals to 0. Can we take y as common? Y plus 9 and minus 3 is common. Y plus 9 equals to 0. So y minus 3, y plus 9 equals to 0. So we are having y as 3 and minus 9. Y is not 6 here. Y is 3 and minus 9, but question is saying, assertion is saying the value of y is 6, but we got y as 3 and minus 9, so assertion is wrong. But look, if coordinates are a and b, distance formula look like this, which is correct. So reason is absolutely correct, but assertion is wrong because we are getting y as 3 and minus 9, but here the y is 6. So assertion is wrong and reason is true. Option number D will be correct answer. Option number D. Yes. Moving to question number 44. Yes, class कब तक चलेगी? Class next session कब आएगा? Study time. Hi, study time. How are you? Yes, class. Next section कब आएगा? Next session, yes, tomorrow will be there. Next session will be tomorrow at the same time. Don't worry, my kid. Okay. Now do the question. The value of x for which 2x, x plus 10, 2x, x plus 10 and 3x plus 2 are the 3 consecutive terms of an AP. Guys, if they are the consecutive terms of AP, so you know in AP, the arithmetic mean of first and third term, if there are 3 terms of an AP, so the arithmetic mean of first and third term is equal to the middle term. So we can apply the arithmetic mean 2x plus 3x plus 2 divided by 2, because we are adding 2 terms, will be equal to x plus 10. Yes, in AP this is valid. If I am writing A, B, C, all 3 are in AP. So the arithmetic mean of first and third term will be equal to middle term. Yes, you are free to write this formula. This is valid in arithmetic progression in every sequence if the progression is of AP. The arithmetic mean of first and third term is equal to the middle term. So applying same formula here. So 5 plus 3, 2x plus 3x will be 5x plus 2. We can cross multiply here. So 2x and 10 to the 20 will be here. Can we shift this 2x here? So 5x minus 2x, and we can take this to that side. So 20 minus 2 will be 18. So 5x minus 2x will be 3x which is 18, so x is equals to 6. Any option? Any option? Yes, 6 is correct answer. Moving to question number 45. Who answered 6? Next session is live tomorrow. Yes, Sonu, the next session will be live. Sir, enough for pre-boards. Not enough. Not enough. You all are not preparing for only pre-board exam. You have to score in, you have to sit in board exam among 10, 20, 10, 14 lakh students. You have to score percentage good marks in that exam. So the target is board exam. Yeah, pre-board is good. You have to score good marks in pre-board also, but board is also important. Also not very important. Okay. Now look at the question. Which of the following value of k should be selected so that the pair of equation x plus 2y equals to 5 and 3x plus ky plus 5 equals to 0 has unique solution? You know, when the linear equations have unique solution, when the ratio of a1 by a2 will not be equal to b1 by b2. This is the condition for unique solution. When the lines intersect each other, if two lines are intersecting each other, there will be exactly one solution. And if there will be exactly one solution, that will be unique solution. And to get the unique solution, this condition should be fulfilled. This condition should be fulfilled. So where is a1? a1 is here. If there is nothing, there is 1. a1 is 1. Where is a2? a2 is coefficient of this. So 3. Not equal to, b1 is what? b1 is 2. And where is b2? b2 is k. Yes. Now you can cross multiply. Now cross k into 1 will be k, not equal to 3 into 6. So k will not be equal to 6. Option number B is correct answer. Option number B is correct. Moving to question number, this is 45, I'm writing for only 5 here. 46 question. Now do this question, try this question. Question number 46. Yeah, question number 46. There is a quadratic equation given to you and you have to choose any correct option. And the options are relatable to the nature of fruits. Guys, if a quadratic equation is given to you, how you can find the nature of fruits without solving the quadratic equation? Yes, we all can find the nature of roots, whether the roots will be real and equal, whether the roots will be distinct, where the roots will not be any roots. That is imaginary condition. So without solving any quadratic equation, D gives us the information about the nature of roots, and D is called discriminant, and we are having the formula b square minus 4ac. I am telling you guys again and again, because you know there is huge chances to get one question based on this formula in your final board exam. I am talking about board exam. Every year question comes on this formula, right? Every year. So now use this formula and find the D. So B is what? B is here, this 3. So 3 is square minus 4. A is what? A is coefficient of x square, which is 1. And C is what? C is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Right? So can we solve this? So this will be 3 square will be 9 minus 4 to 8. 8 root 2. Now we can solve this. 9 minus 8. Root 2 is 1.41. We can replace root 2, which is equals to 1.41. Now D will be 9 minus, we can multiply 141 from 8. 8, 8, 32 to 3, 11. So 11.28 we are getting here. 11.28. And 11.28, 9 minus 11.28. 9 minus 11.28 will be what? Yes, this will be 2.28. Minus 2.28. I hope you got the point. And if D is in negative form, D is less than 0. If D is negative, D is less than 0. So there will be no real roots. No real roots. No real roots, because we are getting D as negative form. D is in negative. 9 minus 11.28, that will be 2.28 obviously. So no real roots because D is negative. Because D is negative. Yes, superb. Lamb India is saying, sir, आपके यहाँ, see, I'm not a biscuit seller, my dear champion. I'm mathematics teacher. So you can ask me numerical, you can ask me question. Don't ask me this question, very funny. Okay, moving to question number 47. Question number 47. Okay. Okay, so Lamb, now do this question. Yes, so many students are watching, so many students are in live session. Guys, please give me the answer of this correct. Which option will be correct? Study is writing option number C, Mehreen is writing option number C. Very interesting question. Which option will be correct for this question? Okay, let me give you the solution. Guys, do you know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1? Very first trigonometric identity formula. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. But the condition is that if here is sine, this should be cos. But the angle must be equal. But here, look, this is sine 41. But here is also sine. It should be cos. If we can convert this format, this sine square 49, in cos form, we might get some information. We might get some result. So how we can convert? Look, you know guys, sine theta is equals to what? Cos 90 minus theta. We have this formula, complementary relation. And here is sine 49. So if I write here sine 49, so we are putting sine theta as 49. So this will be 90 minus 49. Okay, so sine 49 will be equal to cos 90 minus 49 will be what? I think 41. So sine 49 is basically equal to cos 41 because the sum of both the angles are equal to 90 degree. Look, 49 plus 41 will be 90 degree. And this is the complementary relationship between sine and cos. If I ask you sine 20 degree, if sine is 20 degree, what will be cos? So cos will be 70 degree. Please keep it in mind because the sum of these two values is 90 degree. If I am writing here cos 30 degree, so what will be sine? Sine will be 60 degree. Please keep it in mind because I am writing here 30, so I am writing here 60. 30 plus 60 is 90. This is the complementary relation. So sine 49 can also be written as cos 41. And if I put here square, so both sides will be go in square form. Yes, so this is the result. Now sine square 41 degree plus this whole family can be replaced by what? Cos square 41. Now match this identity. Is this identity is matching? This is sine square 41 degree plus cos square 41 degree. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. So theta are same. 41, 41. If theta are same, so this will be equal to 1. Answer 1 is correct. Yes, is it for CBSE board? Yes, study, this is for CBSE board. Yeah, of course, my dear champion. Please keep coming. Follow the channel. If you want to score good marks in exam, because we, the faculty member, are dedicatedly working on every subject. We are giving you recorded videos, we are giving you live sessions. So we are completely focusing on your board exam champions. Yes, sir, aap alag sir ke. See, everyone is my brother and sister, guys. We all are bonded with each other. We all are. Okay, so Mehreen is, no, okay. So I hope you have understood the solution. So we have used here two formula, two identity. I'm using sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, and I'm using the complementary relationship between sine and cos. Moving to question number 48. Try this question, guys. Samrat Singh. Hello, Samrat. How are you? I hope you are good, fit, fine, and healthy. Superb. Samrat, try this question, guys. This question is from real numbers. I hope you know the relationship between LCM and HCF. If we calculate the LCM and HCF of two numbers, so there is a very interesting formula. LCM between two numbers. Let's say I'm taking two numbers in AB, and the HCF of AB, product of LCM and HCF of any number, is equal to the product of the number itself. This is the formula. LCM into HCF is equal to the product of the number itself. Right? So where is LCM? 98 and 28, the numbers are here. Okay. So First, find out the HCF and LCM of both number. So what we can do, we can apply factorization method. So 98 can be factorized as 2 into 7 into 7. So it can be written as 2 into 7 square. This is 98. 2 into 14, 2 into 7 is 14, 14 into 7 will be 98, right? And other number is 28. So it can be written as 2 square into 7, right? So 2 square into 7 I am writing here. 2 to the 4, 4 into 7 is 28. Now listen. If you are finding the HCF, if you are calculating the HCF, what is the full form of HCF, guys? Highest common factor. But make sure, if you are finding the highest common factor, you have to take the least value, least power, the smallest common power. So if I talk about 2, so what is the power of 2 here? 2 to power 2. And what is the power of 2 here? 2 to power 1. So to find the HCF, which power will be taken? Least power. So we can take here 2 to power 1. Now come to 7. If we talk about 7, what is the power of 7 here? 7 square. And what is the power of 7 here? 7 to power 1. And which power will be taken? We are finding HCF. Least power. Please keep it in mind. Least power. So 7 to power 1 and 7 to power 1. The 7 to power 1 is the least power. So 7 into 2 is 14 is the HCF. I hope you have understood it. Now come to LCM. What is the full form of LCM? LCM is least common multiple. Which term is here? Least. Now you have to do opposite. If least is there, you have to take highest power. Now LCM, least common multiple. Now if you are calculating the least common multiple, you have to take highest power. Opposite of the term. If least is here, you have to take highest power. So least is here, so highest power into 2 to power 1, 2 to power 2. So which is highest? 2 to power 2. And if we talk about 7, 7 to power 2 and 7 to power 1, which is highest? 7 to power 2. So what will be the answer? 2 to power 4 into 7 to power is 49. So the LCM will be 196. This is the LCM. This is that number which can divided by 98 and 28. And this is that number 14 which will divide both the number comfortably. I hope you have understood it. Right? So LCM is 196 and the HCF is 14. Now use this formula. So what is LCM? LCM is 196. What is HCF? HCF is 14. Right? And where is, okay, we don't require to use this formula because we have to find out this value, n minus 7m. So m is what? N is what? N is the LCM. So LCM is 196 minus 7 m. M is what? M is the HCF. So HCF is 14. So 196 minus 14, 7 are 98. So we are getting 98. 196 minus 98 will be 98, right? So 98 is correct answer. I hope you have understood it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Samrat is on fire. Okay. Sir, board exam. Yes, of course, you might get this question in board. These are previous year question, guys. We are doing here previous year question and most expected question for your boards. Getting my point? Give me thumbs up. You guys are enjoying. My dear champion, Golu, Molu, Bachcha Party, give me thumbs up. Samrat Singh, Lavindia, Mehreen, study. Give me thumbs up. You guys are there. I want to see your thumbs up. Who will give me first thumbs up? You guys are Golu, Molu champion. My dear lovely kids. Okay, give me thumbs up. Yeah, moving to question number 49. Thumbs up. I'm waiting for your thumbs up, guys. I want to see your engagement, your interaction with me. Okay, superb. Moving to question number 49. Look at the question. So what are the values of x and y for which? Good evening, sir. Hi, Hassan. How are you? Very good evening. So look at the question. Very interesting question. See, this type of question generally come in board exam, guys. This type of question, logical, tricky question. You cannot find the value of x and y directly. You have to use your mind here in this question. You have to go through the depth. Yes, Marin is giving me thumbs up. Lucky is giving me thumbs up. Very good. So many students are watching, but thumbs up I got only from 2 students. Okay, so look at the question, guys. So there are 2 equations. First is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Very good. And the second equation is 101x plus 99y, which is equals to 501. This is first equation, this is second equation. Look at the equation. How scary the equation is. But still, I will give you very easy solution for this. Yes, how we can find it? So there is very logical trick. Guys, you can see here. Just see, first see the values, first see the coefficients of x and y. Here is 99 and here is 101. We can establish the relation between 99 and 101. If we add 101 from 99, we are getting 200. Similarly, if we add 101 from 99 coefficient of y, again we are getting 200. And if we add 499 plus 501, we are getting 1000 here. Means we are getting the number which is having 0 at units place and the tens place. So yes, please add both the equations so that you can get the third equation. So adding first and second, so 99 plus 100 will be 200x. 100 plus 99 will be again 200y. And 499 plus 501 will be what? 1000. Can we take 200 common? Yes, we can take 200 common. 200 common, so x plus y is equals to 1000, right? So 200 will divide, so x plus y, 20 will be cancelled with 20 and 2 will cancel with this 2 by 5. So we are getting x plus y equals to 5. This, we can call this equation number 3rd. I hope you're clear here. I am fine and we subtracting. Yeah, you can also apply any method if you have, but it looks very easy if you add both the equation. So x plus y equals to 5. So from equation 3rd, x can be written as 5 minus y. And this x equals to 5 minus y we can put in any equation, either in first equation or in second equation. Yes, so I'm writing here, putting x equals to 5 minus y in equation first. I'm putting in equation first. So this is equation first, 99 at x I'm putting 5 minus y plus 101y equals to 499. Okay, so 99 into 5 will be 495 minus 99 into y will be 99y. 10y, this is already here, equals to 499. So my dear champions, minus 99y and plus 101y. Can I write here 2y minus 99 plus 101. So 99 is a negative form and 101 is a positive form. So this will be 2y. And can we shift this 495 that side? So 499 minus 495 will be 4. I hope you have understood it. 499 minus 495 will be 4. So y is equals to 2. 2 will divide. So y is equals to 4. And if y is equals to 2, so x will be 5 minus 2. We can put here 2. So x is equals to 3. Y equals to 2 and x equals to 3. Yes, y equals to 2 and x equals to 3. Where is the option? X equals to 3 and y, option number 2. Yes, I am fine and you. Yes. Firstly, we have to add and subtract both. There are so many methods to do. Samrat, you can follow any method, but it looks easy. First, add the equation. You have the relationship between x and y, and you can equate the newly formed equation in any one of these two. Okay. Very good. Yes, Samrat, you are free to follow any method. If you are feeling that your method is easy, like you can follow that. The answer should be correct. Just let me know, are you getting this answer? Whatever I got here, I have solved. Are you getting this value? If you are getting this value, don't get demotivated. Don't follow any other's method. If you are able to do this question by any other method, yes, you are free to follow. This is maths, and this is the beauty of maths. Ishan, hi, how are you, Ishan? I was waiting for you for last 1.5 hours, 2 hours. I hope you are good. Okay, is it clear, Samrat? Give me thumbs up. Is it clear? Yeah. Moving to question number 50. Last question of this live session. Last question. Very interesting, very easy question, I can say. There is a triangle ABC and DE is parallel to BC. And if DE is parallel to BC, this DE is parallel to BC. Now, BPT will be applicable. We can apply basic proportionality theorem. Yes, sir. Samrat is on fire. Samrat is spreading fire. Okay, Samrat. Very good, Samrat. Keep this momentum on. Stay motivated. You all can do wonders. Stay motivated, my dear kids. Okay, let me give you the solution. DE is parallel to BC. You know this theorem, guys? If in any triangle, the line joining 2 points, the line joining 2 points kept on two sides of any triangle, which is parallel to third side, then this point divides in the both the sides in corresponding ratio, equal corresponding ratio. Same formula will be applicable. If DE, look, if DE is parallel to BC, so AD divided by DB will be equal to AE divided by EC, right? Yes, we can write AD is what? X. DB is what? X plus 1. AE is what? X plus 3. And where is EC? EC is what? X plus 5. Yes. Now you can cross multiply this. So X will be multiplied with X plus 5 and X plus 1 will be multiplied with X plus 3. Right, let me use white color. I think red color will not be visible clearly. Okay, so this X into X will be X square plus 5X. Here, X into S, X plus 3, X square plus 3X. Now multiply this one whole bracket. So this will be X plus 3. So X square will be cancelled with X square. 5X and here is 5X and here is 3X plus X is 4X. Can we shift this 4X here this side? So 5X minus 4X equals to 3. So X is equals to 3 here. X equals to 3, correct answer. Yes, Lucky is answered 3. Option number A, superb. So my dear kids, this is all about today's session, and there is a good news, and I'll be on live tomorrow also, and we'll be doing 50 more questions because we are doing here top 100. So I have divided that top 100 live session into 2 parts. Part 1 contains 50 questions and part 2 live session will be tomorrow at same time. So we'll be doing again 50 questions, right? Okay, and I hope you get good marks and you make your parents feel proud, because they all are expecting, they all are dreaming a lot from you guys. So don't waste your time in different activities, in games and all. Stay isolated just for 2 months from the world. Stay isolated. Whatever the others says to you doesn't matter, your result matters. So stay calm, stay motivated, and be dedicated towards your exam, guys. You can enjoy the day of, you can enjoy throughout the life, but once you get the good result, and when the result will come at the day of result, you will be seeing your result on the screen on internet. Look, the happiness of that moment and how the happy your parents will be, you cannot even imagine, guys. So my dear champion kids, my blessings are always with you, but always not blessing works. The hard work also works. Without hard work, without practicing, you cannot get good marks in exam. So make sure you can restart from now. You need to wake up from now. If you might be thinking like you don't have so much of time, guys, I'm assuring you, you have time. And I found so many, this is my experience. I saw so many years. Many students I found, they get good result. They started, just before 2 months. So don't leave anything that will be regretting to you in your life ahead. You guys you guys deserve result. You guys are wonder, you are putting your effort. So that should be, productive. your effort, your strategy, your hard work should be in good direction. So I'm here. If you feel any kind of problem, if you feel any challenging in academics or whether non-academic challenges, just let me know. Sir, I'm feeling that challenge, I'm facing that problem, sir, please solve. So I'll be there for you. So go and do something rock in your life, and you all can do. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.